Hello children, good morning. How are you all? I am your Ramya ma'am of Kakatiya Public School. Welcome to the science class. Today we are going to discuss about the people at work. In our last class we have discussed about my neighborhood. So the area which is surrounded by our house is nothing but the neighborhood, and many places are present in our neighborhood, but many people are working in those places. So the topic we are going to discuss today, that is nothing but people at work. Yes, first one. So many people are working in different places. Okay. So first coming to the teacher. First coming to the teacher. Yes, I am your teacher and you are my students. What I will help you in? What way I will help you? Teacher helps you. Where teacher will live? Teacher will live in a school. Where teacher will teaches you? School. And what teacher will do? She will teach us you to read and write. Yes, teacher will help you in what way better? She will help you in reading and writing. That is about the teacher. Next coming to the doctor. Where doctor lives? Doctor lives in hospital. Yes. And what he will do? What doctor will do? He will treat a patient. He will treat a patient. If you are suffering with a fever, you will go to hospital. There doctor will check you and he will see whatever the necessary medicines you want, he will give you. Like he will write in one paper and he will give to you. If you buy those medicines and take the medicines, your problem will be solved. Okay, that is about the role of a doctor. In this way, doctor will help us. Next, postman. Next, postman. What he will do? Where he will live? Postman in post office. In post office. What he will do? He will give letters. He will give letters to the people and he will send the letters, he will bring the letters to the correct address. Okay, from the post box, he will collect the letters and he will be giving to the correct address. That is about the postman. Next, policeman or woman. Policeman or woman. Where they will live? In a police station. Where they will live? They will live in police station. And how they will help us? How they will help us? They will help us. They will act as a, they will be looking after us. They will be protecting us. Looking after us. They will be providing safety. Providing safety. You know police? Yes. They will be catching the thief. Yes. And also they will be helping in providing safety to us. Yes. Next. Next coming to the finished. The teacher is finished. Doctor, postman, policeman or a woman and farmer. Yes. Farmer, his duty is he do the agriculture. What he will do? He will do agriculture. And he will help us in giving the food. He will help us in providing the food. By doing agriculture, he will be providing us the food. Apart from all these people here around us, there are many other people many ways. That is nothing but a vegetable seller. Vegetable seller. What he will do, Nana? Vegetable seller will sell vegetables. What he will do? He will sell vegetables. And tailor. Tailor will stitches the clothes. Tailor will stitches the clothes. And next, cobbler. What cobbler will do? Cobbler will repair your shoe. Yes, cobbler will repair your shoe. Vegetable seller will sell the vegetables. Tailor will stitches the clothes. Cobbler will repair a shoe. And more, what are there? Carpenter. What he will do, carpenter? He will repairs the wooden items. He will repairs the wooden items like chair, table, etc. Yes, carpenter. Who is carpenter? He will repair. He will make the wooden items, wooden things, and he will also repair the chairs, tables, wooden chairs, tables, etc. Next, last one is gardener. Okay, last one is gardener. What he will do? What is his duty? He will be taking care of the plants. He will take care of the plants. Take care of plants, and also he will water the plants. And also he will water the plants, and he will remove the unwanted plants from the garden. Okay, once again we will discuss teacher. Who will be living in the school? Teacher. What is her or his duty? Teaches how to write and how to read. Next, doctor. When we feel sick, when we get fever or anything health problem, we will go to hospital. Doctor will treat the patients and give us medicines. Next, postman. He will be living in the post office, and he will be giving the letters from the collecting the letters from the post box and giving to the correct address. Next, policeman or a woman. They live in a police station, and they will be looking after us and also giving protection, safety to us. Yes, these are about the people who work at people at work. And here are some other people who will be doing their work. Like vegetable seller sells the vegetables, tailor stitches the clothes, cobbler repairs the shoe, carpenter repairs the wooden items, gardener will take care of the plants. This is all about our topic, people at work. And also you can know the different other people who are working. Okay, that is that question I will be giving you as a homework. You need to write some other people who do their work. Here is the worksheet, children. First question is, when do we go to hospital? When do we go to hospital? When we feel sick, we will go to hospital. Where does a policewoman work? How does she help us? Where she will work? Policewoman or policeman will work in a police station. And how does she or he help us? By saving us, by providing safety to us. Okay. Third one is, what does a gardener do? What does a gardener do? He will take care of the plants and water the plants. So here fourth question is a homework question for you. Collect the pictures of the people at work and write about them. You need to collect the pictures of the people at work. Not only the people what I taught you in the class, but some other people you need to collect their pictures, and also you need to write their work. That means what work they will be doing. That is a homework question for you. Next, second bit is match the following. Here the names of the people and what work they will be doing. First one is a vegetable seller, second one a cobbler, third one a farmer. So vegetable seller, he will sell the vegetables, cobbler will mend our shoe, farmer will grow food for us. Okay, so you need to do that, match the following. Okay, so this is all about our topic, people at work. It's a very small topic now. So you need to do this homework definitely, then only you will understand the people at work and different people doing the different kinds of work. Okay, this is all about our topic, today's topic. Until that time, keep smiling. All the best. Thank you for watching.